Sir?
You raise your hand if you want to ask a question, boy.
Sir?
No talking in my class.
But you just said...
What do you want?
Why is it so cold at the top of a mountain?
Seconds of my life. I've never been more wasted than listening to you ask questions.
Because the top of a mountain is actually closer to the sun. So why would it be cold?
I think the school needs to give your parents a refund.
Well, did you know that a frog can jump higher than an Eiffel Tower?
Really?
That's because an Eiffel Tower cannot jump.
I'll trump that. You know dinosaurs can't eat fish even if they wanted to?
Why not?
Because they're dead.
Well, you know the world famous actor The Rock isn't actually a rock.
No kidding, Sherlock. Obviously, you moron. I'm failing as a